This is one of my favorite healthy anti-aging meals. It has almost 30 grams of protein, lots of good omega-3s. We make it in 3 minutes flat. I'm gonna do this in real time. So you'll see me do, there's no editing, nothing. We're doing it real time. No stove, no oven, and we're using the microwave. But this is where I'm gonna lose about 90% of you. I'm gonna see the whole thing dive. That's okay. Here's what we're making in the microwave. Drum roll, please. Salmon. Yes, I know. You're gonna think I'm crazy. It's gonna stink up the house. Are you crazy? Are you lazy? Look at that beautiful kitchen you got. Make it there, Ryan. Stop being lazy. But not everyone has access to a stove or an oven or have the time. Maybe you're at work. I just want to show you an alternative, okay? And you only need a couple of ingredients. So this here is just a 5-ounce piece of salmon. That's it. And all we're gonna do is a lemon, or some of you might not have lemon. Just use lemon juice, like in a bottle. It's fine, right? And some type of spice or seasoning. I like this old school, Old Bay for old school. That is it. I'm gonna prep this for you here. You take the piece of salmon and you just don't be shy with the lemon, right? So if I had a lemon, I'd be squeezing it on there. So I don't know. I have no idea how many tablespoons, teaspoons. Figure it out. Then I just sprinkle on the seasoning. I love this Old Bay seasoning, but you can see a good amount of seasoning on there. That is it. And come with me. We're going to put this in the microwave. I have to stand there awkwardly because we have one of these drawer microwaves. But all I'm going to do, oh, I almost forgot the most important part, is you need a paper towel. You've got to wet the paper towel. This is really, really important. You must wet the paper towel. So I put it under the sink for just a couple seconds so it's wet. And then I lay it across the salmon. That's it. And I put it in the microwave for exactly 3 minutes. And the timer goes. So we've got about 2.5 minutes left, and you're going to be shocked how well this turns out. Now, here's where the comments and the hate and all the stuff is going to be happening. There's going to be, well, Ryan, is it farm fresh or is it wild caught? Which one's better? The reality is, when it comes to nutrition, now, again, this is going to ruffle feathers, but what you're eating is more important than like the type. Yes, of course, it's best to get the highest quality you can, but that's not always feasible, right? Sometimes you can't get it. Sometimes it has to be farm caught or wild caught. And some people think wild's better, some farm's better, but do the best you can. But you're better off having a piece of salmon than like a meatball sub, right? So the type of food is usually better. I don't like when these kind of nutrition influencers make you feel really guilty. Oh, have salmon, and it must be wild caught, pole caught by a fisherman with a beard in Maine. Like, do the best you can, right? You can say, well, you shouldn't eat salmon every day, and the toxins. You shouldn't eat this every single day, but a few times a week is good, and you can pair it with any type of vegetables you like. I'm a big fan of riced vegetables. I like riced broccoli. I like riced cauliflower. I like a mix of two. You can have with some fruit. Again, I keep my nutrition as simple as possible. Almost all of my food is either meat, eggs, fish, fruit, or vegetables. All right, so really quickly, if you're enjoying this recipe and you want more and some advice on knocking years off your body, just write the word meals below, MEALS, in the comments, and I'll send it over to you. Now back to the salmon. Now there's going to be some of you who are saying, Ryan, you shouldn't eat fish. You're killing animals. I'm vegan. I'm vegetarian. That's cool. You do you. I'm saying what works for me. I don't judge you. Don't judge me. I'm just trying to show you what I do in my day to try to eat well at 52 with my 4 growing kids and having a family, doing all that stuff and not spending hours and hours trying to cook and to prep and to do these things that are quick. And we have exactly 30 seconds left. So again, do the best you can. The type of food is going to be more important than whether it's organic or not. Try to get organic. If it's too expensive, go with the one that's not organic. Oh, the final controversial thing, doesn't it stink up the kitchen? It actually doesn't, surprisingly. It really doesn't smell at all. I don't know if you want to do it in your office, but you hear the beep? That is it. Now, I'm going to take it out and show you the finished product here in real time. Oh, you see that steam? Ready for the reveal? Oh my God, look at that. Look how delicious that looks. It is like fully cooked. Let me take a fork and show you the inside, like how tender this is. Look at that. Perfectly cooked all the way through. 3 minutes salmon in the microwave. And I'm going to have a piece to show you, even though it's hot. Oh, man. That's really good. If you're liking this and you want more recipes, I'm putting together a whole bunch of free recipes. We're going to talk about anti-aging stuff, stuff you can make quickly. Just write the word meal below, MEAL, and I'll send it to you. Write meal below, and I'll send you that. And don't forget to like and subscribe because there's so much more coming. And if you missed my other video about my famous 2-minute lunch, that's coming up, and that's in the description below. So again, write the word meal below for more. Like, subscribe, and I'll check you in the next video.